Thank you, honorable people. Atumia nao mamenye ati ni ihinda riao kuga ca maundu maria matari makurugamia wega wa uturo wao, tondu uturo wa mutumia noguo wa mwana, noguo wa muthuri, noguo wa muru wa nyina, noguo wa mwari wa nyina. Yaani uturo wa mutumia niguo uturo wa umundu.
Na hii mpango ni ya kusaidia wasichana hao wadogo sana, hasa kutoka slums, kubadilisha maisha yao, vile wanaishi, na kuchukulia maisha kama ni muhimu sana, sababu wengine wasiposaidika hawafahamu ya kwamba maisha ni kitu.
When we started off with a campaign that revolved around small action, big change. And the other aspect was the power of one. And I remember Jane picked up that concept and ran with it. And I've seen Polycom stay true to that adage,